Hello, this is Sonia from Happy Space. Welcome back at my channel. Just here to help you set up for this week's memory verse. We are continuing our journey in the I am statements, and this week it's our third I am statement, and it's I am the good shepherd. I know my sheep, and my sheep knows me, just as the Father knows me, and I know the Father. I lay down my life for the sheep. So yeah, it might be a bit confusing with all the no's, but just break it down and go through it, underline the no's. And if you have to break it in half, just see what you can do this week. You always have time to go over your verses in the future. So this is the verse we're going to put behind the daily section. For the next 7 days, you're going to concentrate on that verse. Your old daily verse, you're going to put behind even, so you can revise that on the even days of the week. Your old even verse, you're going to put in the odd section. You can revise that in the odd days of the week. Your old odd verse, you're going to put in the weekly section. You can put it anytime, any place. I think I'm going to put it on Friday because I think we did last time Thursday. So my old Thursday verse, I'm going to put in my monthly section. Yet again, you can start at day 1 to 31. But I'm just going to put it anywhere where I see. I've got so many verses behind everything, it doesn't really matter anymore. I'm just going to put it here behind the 13th. So yeah, I hope it goes well with you this week. Tomorrow, I'm going to get my book open and I'm going to write down my verses, review it. As you can see, I've started already 3 years ago reviewing it, but I'm just going to continue. I enjoyed revising last week's verse, and I actually went over my meditation sheet and I looked up all the verses that talk about light and looked at the context where it was written, and it was just good to go over it again. It's always good to memorize verses in context, not just to randomly memorize it, to see where Jesus said it, why he said it, and then look up other verses that goes around with corresponding with He's the light of the world. So yeah, I hope it goes well with you over this next week, and may God bless you.